Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get free hairs on Roblox, and I'm going to show you the one of the amazing and beautiful hair you can get. So first of all you have to go to marketplace, and now you have to choose hairs from head. Now we'll get all the hairs with some Roblox price, but you can get free. Just in price you have to set maximum 0 and click on OK. Now you have to click on recently created. So it will give you all the recent uh, hairs. So so now you can see these are the limited ones, but we need, if you want to get these guys, you can also get this one. So you can earn this item in Harmony Hills RP game. So you just need to open this game. So there's an event called Plant Trees in Ashnikko. So in this event, you will get Ashnikko ears for free. To earn this, you have to complete some task, and the event will be held uh, from 1st September to 28th September. So you have to participate in that event, and you will get the new hairs, and you will get this Ashnikko hairs, that is, yeah, Ashnikko pairs for free. So to get this, you have to earn this item in this game. So you have to perform some task, and then we'll get this item for free. So this event is starting from tomorrow, and as soon as I get this here, I'll update you on my channel. So please subscribe to our channel to get more view or to get more update about this item. And hope you like it. Thanks for watching.